Hey there, this is Raj here, and today I'm going to talk about a company called US Rare Earths. It goes by the ticker symbol MP. The reason I'm bringing it up to you is because it's in the process of forming a very bullish chart pattern, and it's in the business of rare earths. And on top of it, it's right now revealed that it's discussing with the US governments. And you know how important rare earths is for US. In fact, President Trump had been demanding rare earths from Ukraine. And there was negotiations with China to get rare earths, and China put a license quota on it. So rare earth is very, very critical for those kind of permanent magnets and things like that, which are important for not only for EVs, but also for the defense industry. Let's go quickly into the chart and let me explain to you what we have out there. This is not fully baked yet, but the pattern is very clearly visible. It has not triggered yet. Let's go in and check it out in the TradingView platform. Here we are in our TradingView platform, and I'm looking at this pattern out here. This is the chart for MP. Each of the candle is a one-day candle. We had a gap up out here, another gap up. But what is important for me right now is to look at this section out here. This is a shoulder. This is a head. And this is the second shoulder being formed. And in my opinion, I think that this should be the neckline. And the moment our price crosses this neckline, that is 74.11, we are in business, because then we are looking at a target for this reverse head and shoulder. And the target is likely to be, let me take this from here and put it out here. We are looking at a target of around 85.90. And why I'm feeling more comfortable about 85.90 is that in the past, we have already touched 82.71 and we have already touched 82.41. So we have been pretty high, and this is just a little bit more of a leap, and it is supported by this very bullish reverse head and shoulder pattern. But this is not yet fully baked in, because we still need to cross the neckline in order to trigger this pattern. And having crossed the neckline, we'll have to confirm about that, so that this particular neckline then becomes a support, and then we start marching towards it. How soon will we reach there? Well, it could take a few days, or it could take maybe a week or so, or maybe more than a week. It all depends on how the messages come out and how the market sentiment evolves over the next few days. But this pattern is now emerging, and I thought this was the right time to bring it to your notice. And again, remember, friends, I'm just a retail investor like yourself, and these are all my personal opinions and not financial advice. My effort here in ShareTrick is to build a retail investor community to crowdsource trading ideas and market intelligence, so that all of us can become better traders. I'm sharing my trading idea out here. I'd like to hear from you. What you think about it, please put it in the comment section. I'll catch up with you soon in the next video. Bye for now.